No one knows better than me that car crashes happen. I see people messed up by them every single day. Sometimes collisions can't be helped. I get it, stuff happens. But what I don't understand are the injuries and deaths that are 100% preventable. Like the injuries caused by folks who won't buckle up their seatbelt, or crashes caused by those who won't stop messing with their phone. Sometimes the drivers in those wrecks cannot be saved. Not by me, not by the doctors. And guess who has to give their loved ones the awful news? Tell you, I'll never get used to it. Let's hope that's not another one. So please, Kentucky, be safe. Buckle up, put the phone down.